our simple pancake recipe video. And these are the ingredients: wheat flour, some baking powder, spice, cardamom spice or iliki, 2 eggs, some water, margarine, blue band, sugar, milk, and some salt. So that is all we're going to need to prepare this fluffy pancake recipe. On a bowl, you're going to combine all your ingredients. I'll start with the dry ingredients, that is the wheat, sugar. I won't lie, I added enough sugar, like I don't know, 8 teaspoons. Then I'll have a teaspoon of cardamom, iliki. It is a strong spice, so you just want to use a little bit of it. Also, you can use any spices of your choice, like lemon zest, vanilla, strawberry, mango, any spices of your choice or flavor. Then, as you can see, I'm adding the dry ingredients. The baking powder helps the pancake to fluff or to rise. Then I'll make a well at the middle. I'll start by adding my eggs. Then my margarine or butter or blue band, whatever you have. Yes, I'm using a lot of margarine because I'm not going to use any oil in this recipe, so the blue band will act as the oil. Then you mix your ingredients slowly by slowly. You can use a fork to mix if you don't have this mixer, a hand mixer. If you don't have a hand mixer, you can use a fork. It was too thick for me, so I'm going to add in some little bit of water, but you can use, the consistency is up to you, it's your choice. Now it's ready. I'll cover the mixture. I covered the mixture for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour to let the baking powder activate or settle. Then I'm going to use a non-stick pan, that's the other key, and this type of spoon, the soup spoon, to scoop the pancake mix. The spoon helps me achieve equal sizes and or equal portions of pancake. I was able to achieve 8 pieces of pancake with this mixture. This is a simple mix. I didn't add many things on it, but next time we're going to try and add more ingredients like banana, chocolate chips, all those things. So you're going to cook until you start seeing bubbles. Once these bubbles settle, then the other side will be ready, like that. The bubbles have stopped forming, so that means the other side is ready and it's now time to turn it. Use medium heat. Don't want to burn the pancakes. Yeah, see, it's nice and golden brown and it's cooked. It's cooked evenly. Turn it around and press it down. Check to see if it has cooked, and yeah, you can see it's nicely cooked. Keep turning it around. until you're impressed with the cooking. I kept turning mine around, flipping, actually it's called flipping. I kept flipping my pancakes until I was convinced it was cooked. You're going to repeat the same process with the next pancakes. Remember to use medium heat. Once the bubbles settle, the bubbles are now forming. Once they settle, it means it's ready to turn. The bubbles have stopped forming. You can confirm, though it had not stopped forming. You can still see some bubbles, so it was too early. That's why you can see the edges are not cooked. So I let it cook, continue to cook. Now the bubbles stopped forming and it was cooked, and I turned it, and I repeated the same process. Confirm, look at how nicely it cooked, and it's soft actually. Kept flipping it until I was convinced it's really cooked nicely, and then I removed it from the pan. Here it goes. These are the final results. I told you I was able to achieve 8 pieces with this recipe. Those are enough for me. You can increase the ingredients according to your servings or your liking. Yeah, you can serve with your maple syrup or chocolate syrup and enjoy with tea or juice, anything that you want for breakfast or just as a snack. We'll explore more ways of making the pancake in another recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.